Philippines versus India.
Let's go. Let's see po.
Let's go. First round. Raymart Gabalio versus Pawan Kamar Arya from India. Raymart Gabalio wearing the black pants and Pawan Kumar Arya wearing the white and black pants. Nice job, partner. Malakas din tong kalaban niya, partner.
Diyan, partner.
Yes.
May palag din, partner.
Yes. Galing pa to ng India, partner. Galing pa ng India, partner eh.
Pero syempre, assassin to eh.
Yes. Bumiyahe pa from India, partner. Pumunta lang ng Jensen. Galing, partner.
Galing din yung Indiano.
Galing din yan. Pero matatamaan siguro to, partner.
May palag din, may palag din
Yes.
talaga.
Both boxer is nag-iingat.
Oo. Pakasin talaga si Gabalio, partner.
Wag lang talagang nice 1-2 by Gabalio and nice job by
Arya. From India.
yes. Arya is from India, Gabalio is from Philippines. Nice
Nice job.
1-2 by Gabalio. Magaling ditong umilag si partner, si Arya, partner.
Arya, oh.
Nice job by Arya. Galing din, partner eh.
Oo.
Hindi rin basta-basta, partner. Nice straight by Arya. Nice job. Nice job by Arya.
Nice job, Arya.
Nice job by Gabalio. Nice body shot by Gabalio. Hindi na siya nasasaktan, partner eh.
Pareho nag-iingat po.
Rock Nathan Odocado of One Canyon Fighters. Round number 2. Raymart Gabalio versus Arya.
Good straight by Raymart.
Philippines versus India. Nice job by Raymart. Nice counter by Arya, but he missed.
Good job.
Nice job by Gabalio.
Galing dito ng Indiano na to eh.
Yes,
Head
partner.
movement, tsaka
Hindi yung partner, hindi yung pag suntok lang wala na. Grabe, bilis ng job, partner, no?
kaso lang hindi tumatama kay Raymart.
Yes.
Feel na Raymart na support sa ng body.
Yan na. Good na si Raymart, partner.
Good shot by Raymart. Good body shot.
Yun ang talang dapat iwasan.
Boom!
Yun. Hindi nasasaktan ng Indiano, partner eh.
Mas partner.
Yeah. Mikos-mikos lang insan. Ano to, partner? Saan pala to? Nice straight by
Good counter, good
Gabalio. Nice 1-2-3 by
Nice one.
Gabalio. Nice job by Arya. Nice job by Arya. Ito Indiano, partner, ang akala ng iba, partner. Madali lang.
Hindi. Lakas. Saka matibay. straight by Raymark.
Nice. 1-2 by
Combination
Raymart
again.
Caballo. Parang hindi nasasaktan ng Indiano partner.
Oo. Makunat.
Yeah. Nakatakbil ba ito partner?
Siguro, partner. Kasi sabi niya, dadayo ako dito. Dapat,
Yeah. Hindi ako dadayo na matalo.
oo.
Nice. Left hook by Caballo. Partner, parang ininda talaga ng Indiano yun partner.
Yung mga pamitay na suntok ni Raymark, partner. Yes.
Parang tong Indiano partner, survival lang sa kanya eh. Sasaktan na talaga to eh.
Sakta na yung tayo ba na?
Indiano partner eh.
Hindi gabal yun, Raymark eh. So, tsaka naghahanap din siya ng timing eh. Naghahanap din siya ng
Nice
timing.
job by Raymart. By Caballo.
Good, 1-2. Good body shot by Guling.
Nice. Ano na partner?
Saktan, partner.
Nahilo na partner. Yun. Nakatama ng third. Then guys,
Mamaya niya.
proceed na
Sayang.
tayo sa main event kasi surrender na yung ano, Indiano.